Hello friends, we are continuing this topic. Next point in this topic is Mendeleev's periodic table. The most important step in the classification of element in Mendeleev's periodic table is the fundamental property of elements, namely atomic mass as a standard. He arranged 63 elements known at that time. He arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. He transferred these into periodic table of elements according to their physical and chemical properties. Mendeleev found that elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. I clear this point. First, we clear Dove-Reiner states, then Newland's law of octaves, and now Mendeleev's periodic table. The most important classification of the Mendeleev's periodic table, he arranged 63 elements which were discovered at that time or which were known at that time. The basic fundamental property of element is atomic mass as a standard. He arranged all these elements in increasing order. Then he transferred into the periodic table of elements according to their physical and chemical properties. Then Mendeleev found that elements with similar physical properties and chemical properties repeated after some definite interval. Then Mendeleev's periodic law. The elements with physical and chemical properties are periodic function of their atomic mass. This is Mendeleev's periodic law. What is Mendeleev's periodic law? Mendeleev's periodic law is that the element with physical and chemical properties are periodic function of their atomic masses. Mendeleev he arranged the elements in vertical and horizontal. The vertical columns in the periodic tables are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. That means verticals, those elements arranged in verticals called as groups, and those arranged in horizontal rows called as periods. Next point is that then what are merits of Mendeleev's periodic table and what are demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table? We clear that what is Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic law, what are merits of a Mendeleev's periodic table and what are demerits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. First of all, we clear that Mendeleev's periodic table, merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. He gave a proper place in the periodic table. Atomic masses of sub-elements were revised in accordance with their properties. For example, previously determined the atomic mass of beryllium 14.09 was changed to the correct values 9.4 by beryllium was placed before boron. Mendeleev had kept some vacant places in periodic table for elements that were not yet discovered. Three of these unknown elements were given the names Eka boron, Eka aluminum and Eka silicon from known neighbors and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72 respectively. The atomic mass of Eka boron, Eka silicon and Eka boron, Eka silicon and Eka aluminum. The atomic masses are 44, 68 and 72. Their properties were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered subsequently and were named as scandium, gallium and germanium. Scandium for Sc and gallium Ga and germanium Ge. The properties of these elements matched with those predicted of Mendeleev. Due to this success, all convenience about the importance of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now, Again, I clear this point. Merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. What are merits? To give a proper place element in the periodic table. He give a proper place of element to the periodic table according to their atomic mass. Some elements were revised in accordance to their properties. For example, previously determined atomic mass of a beryllium 14.09 was changed and correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before boron. Mendeleev kept some vacant places in the periodic table. He kept vacant places in the periodic table for the elements which are not yet discovered. These three of these unknown elements were given to the names Eka boron, Eka aluminum and Eka silicon, having masses indicated 44, 68 and 72. Eka boron 44, Eka aluminum 68 and Eka silicon 72 respectively. Their properties were also predicted. Later on, the elements were discovered subsequently and were named as. After these elements were discovered, he kept a vacant place in the periodic table, and after discovering sometime, names are given: scandium, galenium and germanium. Scandium for Eka boron, galenium for Eka aluminum and germanium for Eka silicon respectively. The properties of these elements matched well with those properties by Mendeleev. Due to this success, all were convinced about the importance of the Mendeleev's periodic table. When noble gases such as helium, neon, argon were discovered, Mendeleev created zero group without disturbing original periodic table in which noble gases were placed very well. This is one of the merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. That means noble gases, helium, argon, neon were discovered. Mendeleev created the zero group which without disturbing original periodic table in which noble gases were placed very well. These are merits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Now we are clear demerits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Which are demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table? The elements cobalt and nickel, cobalt CO, nickel Ni, have same whole number atomic mass. As a result, there were an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. This is one of the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. A challenge was posed by placing isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table. Isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses. This is another demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. The rise of atomic masses does not appear to be uniform when elements were arranged in increasing order. The atomic masses, it was not possible therefore to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. Also, position of hydrogen shows similar with halogen group 8. For example, molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while molecular formula of fluorine and chlorine F2 and Cl2 respectively. In same way, there is a similarity in chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metal group first. There is a similarity in molecular formula of the compounds of hydrogen and alkali metals, okay, formed by the chlorine and oxygen. Is it clear? Again, in short, I clear the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements cobalt and nickel have same atomic masses. As a result, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. A challenge was posed in placing isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic tables. Was isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses. The rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform when elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. It was not possible to predict how many elements could discovered between two heavy elements. And position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen, that is in group 7. For example, molecular formula of hydrogen is H2 and molecular formula of chlorine is F2 and Cl2 respectively. In same way, there is a similarity in chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals. There are similarity in molecular formulae of compounds of hydrogen and alkali metals formed with chlorine and oxygen. Is it clear? From this we clear that Mendeleev's periodic law, Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic law, merits of Mendeleev's periodic table and demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table.